Excuse me, can you help me find this address?
Yes. This place is. Go there. Then turn there. Wait. No. Go here and then go there.
Oh, okay. Thanks. But I'll find it myself.
Does this sound like you giving directions in English? Confused, scared, unsure of which words to use. Let's fix that in under 8 minutes.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to ask for and give directions in English.
Yeah, asking is one thing, but giving directions? That's where I panic.
Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be able to do both confidently. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Simple English in Real Life.
Okay, let's pretend I'm lost. What do I say first?
Start simple and polite. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Alright, that sounds easy enough.
Tone matters here. Say it calmly and clearly.
Let's practice. Say it like you're actually talking to someone. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, I need some help.
Now ask your question, where is the nearest metro station?
Or I can say closest, right?
Exactly.
Okay, where's the closest cafe? That sounds natural.
Let's act it out. You ask, I answer.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
Where's the nearest ATM?
Go straight and turn left.
Okay, wait. Now I'm the one giving directions. What should I say?
Start with simple phrases. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right.
That's manageable.
Repeat after me. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Now combine them. Go straight and turn left. Go straight and turn right.
To practice English speaking in a fun and easy way, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Simple English in Real Life. But what if I want to explain better?
Add small details. Go straight for 2 minutes. Turn right at the signal.
Oh, I see. So I give time or landmarks.
Exactly. Use these phrases. Next to. Opposite or across from. Near.
So I can say, it's next to a bank?
Absolutely. Let me give a full example. Go straight for 2 minutes, then turn right. It's next to a supermarket.
That sounds like real life. Repeat after me. Go straight for 2 minutes. Turn right at the signal. It's next to the supermarket. Good job. What if I don't understand directions?
That's a good point. Many learners ask that. You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that? Can you say that again, please?" Let's practice together. Sorry, can you repeat that? Can you say that again, please? Let's do a full realistic conversation.
Okay, I'll start. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where's the nearest metro station?
Go straight for 2 minutes, then turn left. It's across from the park.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Go straight, turn left. It's across from the park.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now we switch. I'll ask, you answer. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes. Tell me.
Where is the nearest cafe?
Go straight and turn right. It's next to a bank.
Perfect.
Honestly, I feel like I don't need difficult English for this.
Exactly. Simple English works best in real situations.
And clarity matters more than speed, right?
Yes. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently.
I used to think I need perfect grammar.
Having correct grammar is definitely necessary. However, clear communication is more important. Let's do one final smooth version.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
Where's the nearest hospital?
Go straight for 5 minutes, then turn right. It's next to the local market.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
So today you learned how to ask for directions, give directions clearly, handle real conversations.
And remember, simple English is powerful. To learn or build confidence while speaking to new people, watch the video flashing on your screen. The link is also mentioned in the description box below. Now it's your turn. In the comments section below, give directions to the nearest school in your locality. Use the tips we have discussed in the video.
For example, you can reach the nearest school by turning left from the red light. Go straight and turn right. Next time someone asks you for directions, don't panic.
Just keep it simple and clear. And if today's episode helped you, make sure to like this video and share it with everyone who is learning English.